Hello everyone, AirplayKid95 here, and I'm going to show you a quick review of something different. And no, it's not model airplanes, but let's take a quick look at lighters here. Usually when you come to lighters when lighting fireworks, this is the only example I have left. All my other stuff is pretty much gone. So if you're lighting fireworks with a lighter or a torch, here's your standard cheap $5 lighter you could find at a discount store or gas station. You can find these pretty much anywhere. Pretty cheap, and they'll do the job. But what happens if it's a little bit too windy and it won't light all the time? So you get a better butane torch or propane torch. Here's my old Bernzomatic torch that you have seen in my last few videos, and unfortunately it's dying on me, even with new butane in it. I even tried to unclog it. There's barely a flame. I'm not even sure if you guys can see that. There's no flame on that thing at all, so I might have to get this replaced. So this is some of the frustrations when it comes to these gas or butane gas or propane gas powered lighters, is the problems that are associated with them. But there is a new alternative that's been popping up all over the internet, and I even seen on TV. Plasma lighters. I have seen one on TV lately that it showed a video of somebody lighting all fireworks with it, and it gave me an idea if it's worth lighting fireworks with a plasma lighter. And I got one here for you guys to show you a quick review, and we'll take a quick look at it. Look at that. Electric. So we're going to take a look at this thing in depth and see if it's better than lighting with a standard torch or standard candle lighter. Yes, here it is, folks. The Cigar Lighter USB, or this is just a triple arc plasma lighter from Amazon that I got for about $12. It wasn't too bad. I have seen these everywhere. There are the standard Zippo lighter style plasma lighters, and now these are the, I guess what I like to call aerosol can designed lighters, which you could possibly use for thicker cigars and cigarettes and bongs and or that kind of nature. And to light candles and even fireworks better. So, well, is it worth using it for fireworks? We're going to find out in this video towards the end as I light some fireworks to show you. But let's take a quick mock unboxing of this thing. See, just a little sleeve that comes out of there. And I like the presentation of this box. Looks really nice. Looks very premium. So you just pop it open, and there's your accessories in here. There was an instruction manual, but I'm not sure what happened to it. Here's your USB charger, and there's a I think a cleaning brush for the little diodes or whatever you want to call them, and they're all inside here. And then here's the lighter itself. And oh man, it looks really nice. It feels really hefty in a way. Here's the main button here, and then down here is the on and off switch. And right now I have it set to on. So when you flip the switch here, it activates and shows a blue light, indicating how much power you have and it's on. So just press down on that, and you got your flowing electricity. These are also known as Tesla lighters, or electrical arc lighters, and I'm not sure why they're referred to as plasma when it's just raw electricity. And as you can see here, there are single arc, double arc, and this is the newer ones, a triple arc lighter, which, as you can see there, and these little electrical diode things, whatever you want to call them, emit arcs of electricity that are hotter than fire. And I like that cool noise that it makes. As you can see, it almost kind of reminds me of a transformer about to blow up. It's pretty much just like that. So you can light your cigar or cigarette or whatever when you put it right in the middle of all those electrical arcs. And supposedly it will combust and light a fire much more easier. And the construction of this is really well made. It kind of reminds me of an aerosol can, to be honest, but hey, I like the magnets on it. So when you flip it open, you'll activate, and then when you close it and the magnet gets contacted, it turns right off. And I saw a video or a commercial on TV for a different style of these lighters. It was called the atomic lighter, and it showed a guy lighting fireworks off with it, and it kind of gave me a little bit of an idea for a review, and to give me a little bit of excuse to light some pyro. But the fireworks that I have been lighting off for this review are not like the big boom and artillery shell stuff that I normally light. Just a bunch of small knickknacks I had left over from my Labor Day fireworks. And so it shouldn't be too exciting. But it's just to show you if this thing is practical for pyrotechnic use. And I have to say, if you want to light maybe something that is fused together, or you just want to light maybe one thing at a time and not do like a big show style display like you can do with a torch, then I would recommend it. But this is mainly strictly designed for, like it says on the box, cigars and pipes and that kind of business. But or if you want to use it to light candles and small fires as well, to get your little pyro fix going on there. See, let's get a better focus to these little diodes here. I know the lighting's pretty bad. It's so cool. And then the battery in this thing is marketed to last for at least 100 or 150 lights or so. So, you know, you can press and hold it and light something. It should last for that long. It depends on how long you keep it lit. And I like how it lights every time, unlike a standard butane or propane lighter where you have to keep clicking it in order for it to actually get in contact with the gas and actually react to it. Unlike this, it just lights every time. But there's only one con when it comes to lighting fireworks is it's so close to your hand. And yeah, they always make sure the arcs get in contact with the fuse, and you're so close to the fuse when you do it. So, okay, there's a quick look at the plasma electrical arc lighters. And now I'm going to show you a quick video of me lighting fireworks off at the daytime. Well, here we are, folks, in an undisclosed location that's pretty messy. We are going to test out how good these plasma lighters are with fireworks. Got some daytime goodies here and some sparklers. So here we go. Where are the smoke bombs already? Alright, I've turned this on. There's a switch on the bottom. Turn it on. And then you got a blue light that indicates that it's on. Of course it turns off once the magnet on the lid closes. So it won't accidentally turn on when you have it over. So here we go. See how well this thing does with fireworks. Trying to see how many I can light at once. Okay, I lit one. Let's see how many more I can do. Make sure the electricity is directly on the fuse, or else it won't light. And one of those smoke bombs were dud. Okay, let's try out a few more items here. Let's try out a giant smoke ball. You may have remembered this. You may remember these products from my live stream I did a while back ago. I was going to film these during my Labor Day show, but I never had a chance to. But here we go. Another one. Jumbo smoke ball. Lasts a little bit longer. Good smoke. See, electricity's still going strong. All right, let's try another smaller one. And I might light a sparkler next. The only problem is that lid always gets in the way. There we go. The light's pretty fast, but you always have to make sure that the electricity's hitting the fuse or it won't light. Can't exactly say this will be a replacement for a torch or a standard kitchen lighter. Alright, let's try this next one and I'll get ready for some sparklers. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to set up some sparklers. Okay, here are a couple of Morning Glory sparklers. I wouldn't really recommend using metal sparklers with this type of lighter, especially for holding them. Of course, I'm not holding these sparklers because I'm holding a camera at the same time, so it'll be kind of hard to hold the camera while you're lighting this stuff. Lit pretty quick compared to a normal standard lighter. The neighbors are wondering why I'm lighting flyovers. This is legal stuff anyway. So I won't get in trouble. This next one over here. Right on. You have to get really close to it in order for it to ignite. That's the only problem versus a normal torch. There. Sparkler came apart. That's kind of an amusing thing to see. Alright, let's make a little bit of noise. Here, I got a firecracker. Make sure that lid's all the way over. Here comes the firecracker. Make some noise. Wow, that's how loud those were. More smoke balls. Giant smoke ball. This is a great excuse to light some stuff while testing out a lighter. That one didn't last as long as the purple one did. It's turning kind of greenish with the sky in the background. Okay, what else? Sorry, one more banger. Actually, might do a few more. Should be okay. Stay light. Everyone's awake. Not as loud as the first one. I'm sure why that is. Okay. What else do we have in this bag? More smoke balls. Let me try and light these together. Wish I had more stuff to light besides this. Oh well. There we go. That was kind of close to comfort. The green one was a dud. White one's pretty good. Look how dirty this thing's getting. Still trucking along though. Give you some focus there. Alright. It's dropping the entire small stash I have here. Oh, we got fire. Caught a leaf on fire. So with it being a little bit wet out here, it wouldn't catch fire. Seems like a nice little novelty to light fireworks with. But I wouldn't recommend it for a show. One thing I don't like about smoke bombs is that smell. For the normal smell from sulfur. All right, try one more sparkler. My battery's gonna die here in a minute. There we go. And there you go, guys. There's the test and review of the triple arc plasma lighter. I wouldn't really say it's really worthwhile using it for fireworks, but you can use them for fireworks if you like. But I wouldn't recommend using it for a show. I'd rather prefer using a propane torch, or any torch in that matter. So there we go. See you in the next video.